All right, now we can test the fuel injector.
Yeah. Well, that's good. I see. Look at. I mean, these don't look bad at all. It seems like somebody's been in here.
Yeah, it looks like clean.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's still got rise on the rubber.
Yeah.
Part here. Usually they'll flatten out.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, they're fairly new, probably.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Okay.
Look at all that.
Okay, you ready? We're gonna have you crank it, Monique, and
You mean Woody?
Huh?
You mean Woody?
Oh yeah, Woody.
That's my YouTube name, and he always accidentally calls me by my real name.
Oh.
Okay, turn the key to where the dash lights are on.
Okay.
Woody.
Okay, so. Okay. Yep, dash lights are on. Yep. More?
So we got fuel injector pulse. We know fuel's getting in there.
Okay, we've got fuel injector pulse. So fuel is definitely getting in there. That's the interpretation. Hey, do you need me to do it again, or are you good?
No, we're good.
Okay. It does make this weird beeping noise, though, whatever that is.
We can get that one.
Dash lights are on again.
Okay, go ahead and crank it, Monique.
Okay, cranking.
Keep going. So we know your crank sensor and your cam sensor are good because we got spark and you got fuel injector pulse.
Yes. Now, if the fuel injector.
What?
I just stopped the beeping. I know what it is.
What?
Listen.
Yeah, when you close the door, it stops. So I close the
You
door.
hear something funny?
Yeah.
What's this?
But isn't that... Oh, so it's supposed to do that.
Yeah. What are you doing? You getting the horn to go?
Whoa, what is that thing?
Anti-theft.
Ah, wow, that's pretty
funny.
cool. Dang.
I was messing with it earlier today. And I did that, and I put my hand on it. I moved it. It said beep beep. I'm like, the horn's not even over here. The horn's over there. I don't know.
funny.
It's beeping up under the dash.
Yeah.
It's an alarm.
Yeah.
So this is what we got.
Yeah.
We got fuel injector pulse.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
So we know cam and crank sensor are good because we got fuel injector pulse and we got spark.
Okay.
Question is, we know we got fuel coming out here because when we lift this up, it looks like it's pretty watery. Like it's got fuel in there. You can smell it too.
Oh yeah.
Full of fuel.
So,
Oh
obviously.
yeah. It's full of fuel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's
So
probably
what's causing it to get in there?
But the thing is that I was able to
Yeah.
to program that key.
Yeah.
And when we turn the key, do we see the security light going out?
Yes. When you turn the key, you
Yeah.
can read the book, and it tells you if it flashes for 3 seconds and then intermittently every 3 or 5 seconds after that. And you check it, it does.
Uh-huh.
So
It's got to be like a ground wire or
that's
something.
what I was thinking. Body ground.
Yeah.
And I've checked the ground coming over. Let's see. This one goes down, and it's under the fender wall over there.
Mhm.
And I cleaned it up and put it back on. I don't know of any more. I mean, we would have to. I would have
But
to.
see, if it was like some key ground wire or something to do with the PCM, you wouldn't have spark, you wouldn't have fuel injector.
Yeah.
Something would be off.
Something would be bad off. I mean, you would know right off the bat.
Do you have a timing issue?
Shouldn't have.
You check compression. Compression
Yes,
is good on all 6 cylinders.
6. So you wouldn't have a compression issue if you had timing off.
Why do we have fuel backed up
Yeah,
through this
that's what I'm
vacuum
trying
line?
to
That's
figure
what I'm
out.
starting to wonder now.
Yeah.
That
Why is it pushing fuel or
Mm-hmm.
why is it relating fuel up here?
Yep.
And see, this hadn't been burning anything in a while. With that being that black,
Yep.
I mean that it hadn't burned fuel or intake hadn't come through there. It shouldn't be that black. It should be clean in there.
Exactly.
And that's just like with these. When you look at that, that tells me. I mean, that should be clean. We can go ahead and take this off.
Yep.
That's where your fuel. I mean, that shouldn't be nasty like that.
What is it? Okay. Yeah. Because the fuel should be spraying through there.
Yeah.
So the fuel's not getting in there, and that's why
So-
it looks that bad.
Possibly.
So that would be your injector stopped up.
Yep. That's possible.
completely stopped up.
Is there any way we can test these? We can.
Yeah,
we can take the thing out and see if it's spraying.
Yeah, the fuel rail, you can take it completely
Let's
out.
take 8mm and 8mm right here, and we just pull it out, and then we'll face it this way and crank it.
I think I just broke something back there.
Then we'd be fishing for something.
Oh, yeah. We just shut that cylinder off. You have a 3-cylinder or a 5-cylinder.
See, look at that, man. It's got fuel pouring out right there. It's,
yeah. And I don't know why.
Your EGR should not have fuel.
No.
Why does the EGR have fuel? That's weird. Either it's backing up or...
Yeah, I think... Well, the EGR can fill up for short runs on these cars if the EGR don't... When you start a car up and... Oh, shit, I thought I dropped something. Start up and you only run it short distances, the EGR gets caked up with that grit and grime and it's carbon buildup. And you can spray them out, but everybody thinks, oh, the shorter distance I run a car, the better off it is. That's not necessarily true.
No.
New ones.
Yeah, if you drive to the store, come back,
And
that kills it.
Oh, yeah. Carbon buildup is horrific.
Oh, yeah, it sucks, man.
Now, I had this thing loose just a second ago. Look here. I had it to where... I don't know what I broke loose.
No, I think it was that bar. That bar was catching on that EGR valve.
What is that hanging on there?
Well, it's loose now.
That's better.
Yeah.
It is better.
I bet it's got some on the other
It's
side.
got something.
Oh, it's for the other side. Both of them got to come out together, so we'll have to do the same thing over here. It's all one
you're
reel.
right. You're right. Let me get that little screwdriver.
Yeah. I'll tell you what. We are going to... We didn't know we was going to be doing a cylinder reboot. Let's see. This is... I'll do it just like... We'll lay them up here. This is on the back and this is on front. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it really does.
And there shouldn't be that carbon buildup in there,
it shouldn't
hey?
be that at all.
Yep.
I'm gonna take my jacket off. It's getting too hot. It wasn't supposed to be this warm today. It was like
No, it
freezing
wasn't.
earlier.
Yeah, that's bad. Them hadn't... Yeah, see, they're supposed to be shiny.
Yeah, something's up there. Something is definitely up there.
Get off my finger.
Okay, so we'll do that same thing, I guess.
If I can get in between. Come on, get out there.
There we go. Got it.
That one ain't wanting to give it up.
That one does not. Yeah.
It did then.
And I get it. Got it.
Yep, that one's open. Here's your end one out there.
Which one?
Oh, is it already? Okay, so what have I got
That part's
attached?